Do hummingbirds really prefer red? In the past, scientists have observed red flowers being pollinated by hummingbirds more often than other pollinators. Because of this, the idea that hummingbirds prefer red has become a popular theory. You can see this in most of the commercial hummingbird feeders and paraphernalia designed to attract them. However, recent work published in the Journal of Functional Ecology points towards a different explanation. They argue maybe there's something going on with the hummingbird's main competitor, honeybees. Honeybees can't see red colors very well, so maybe hummingbirds just don't like bees? Or maybe less bee activity on these flowers indirectly tips the scale towards more hummingbird pollination. They tested these questions by setting up an experiment where they observed flowers of the herb species Costus arabicus. This species has flowers that are either white or pink, which is basically a light red, so it served as a good example. Besides from analyzing the flower structures and using a spectrophotometer to record the specific color, the researchers videotaped these flowers during peak pollination times for a total of 63 hours. They counted visits from bees and hummingbirds for each color in relation to how many of that colored flower was available, and ran statistical analyses on the results. What they found was that bees definitely prefer the white flowers, visiting them more than 4 times as often as the red flowers. However, the hummingbirds didn't seem to have a preference, and visited both colors about evenly. These results support the bee avoidance hypothesis. Honeybees have the tendency to cause self-pollination, where the flower is pollinated by its own pollen instead of a different flower. This hurts the plant's genetic variability and can lead to inbreeding problems if it's taken too far. So red flowers likely evolved to dissuade honeybees and increase the likelihood that hummingbirds will be the ones to pollinate them. But hummingbirds themselves don't seem to have a preference for that color. So if you're going to buy a feeder, don't be fooled that red is best. Get whichever color you'd like. Thanks for watching. Consider liking and subscribing to the EVO seminar series where we discuss a variety of topics relating to evolution.